Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to take your Notion setup to the next level? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use linked databases in Notion. Even if you're brand new to the platform, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up multiple views of the same data, letting you organize, filter, and display information just the way you want. It's a powerful tool for any workspace, whether you're managing projects, notes, or tracking habits. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure we're starting on the same page. Here in Notion, I've got a sample database ready. If you're following along, you can create a quick test database by typing table and adding a few sample rows. Don't overthink it. We're just setting up a foundation to work with. Once your database is there, we're going to create a linked view. Now, this is where Notion gets really interesting. A linked view lets you pull in the exact same database, but display it differently, almost like looking at the same bookshelf from different angles. Super useful if you want a calendar in one spot, a Kanban board in another, but all synced up to the same source. To make your first linked view, type the command linked view of database. Notion will prompt you to pick which database you want to link. Just select the one you created earlier. If you have lots of databases, start typing the name and Notion will suggest matches. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can always back up and try again. When you select your database, you'll see the familiar table pop up. Here's the magic. You can now change the view for this linked database without affecting your original. Just click Add a View and choose any display style you'd like. Maybe you want a calendar view to track tasks by deadline or a gallery to show project thumbnails. Play around. Each view gives you different ways to interact with the same dataset. If you don't need the old table view that appears by default, you can remove it. No harm done. Just focus on the view that serves your process best. Next, if you want multiple different views, say a Kanban board below your calendar, you can simply repeat the process. Scroll down to another empty spot on your page and again, type /linked view of database. Choose the same original database again. Remember, you're not duplicating the data, just echoing it with a different lens. Add a new view, maybe this time pick board, and set up columns for task status like to do, doing, and done. Remove the default table view if you don't need it, so your page stays clean and focused. It's worth pausing here to clarify. You haven't made copies of your database. You're just viewing the same information in new ways. Think of it as having one master information library, but multiple rooms in your house where you display the books differently depending on what you need. Any changes you make, add a row, edit a field, move a card, immediately update everywhere. So don't worry about mixed up data or missing entries. If you're working in a team, everyone can see the same updates no matter which view they prefer. Honestly, linking databases in Notion is one of those things you'll wonder how you lived without. Start using this feature and you'll keep your workspace streamlined, adaptable, and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you get organized, be sure to hit that like button. It means a lot. I'd love to hear in the comments how you plan to use linked views, or if you have any questions as you set yours up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Notion guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.